customer brought his 2019 CT6 into my shop last year. 45,000 miles. Engine knocking like it had twice that. When I drained the oil, it came out black as coffee. He'd been buying the cheapest oil he could find online for 3 years straight. Never checked a single label. That engine cost him $6,000 to fix. And the worst part? He thought he was doing everything right. The oil you pour into your Cadillac is either protecting a $9,000 engine or slowly destroying it. And 3 of the 7 worst offenders are probably in your garage right now. If you're using any of them, I'll tell you exactly what to switch to at the end. Stay with me. Brand number 1 to avoid, or at least to approach with serious caution, Amazon Basics Full Synthetic. Here's the problem. Amazon doesn't manufacture oil. They contract with rotating suppliers, and the certification status changes from batch to batch. Some Amazon bottles carry a valid Dexos Gen 3 license number. Others don't. You won't know until you read the label on that specific bottle that day. Picture this. You're towing a boat on a July afternoon. Outside temperature is 95 degrees. Escalade working hard, engine temp climbing. That's exactly when your oil needs to be performing at full spec. That's exactly when an uncertified oil with an inconsistent additive package will let you down first. The rule is simple. If the Dexos Gen 3 logo is on the front and an 11-digit license number is on the back, that specific bottle is fine. If either one is missing, put it back. When in doubt, just buy an oil where you always know what you're getting. Brand number 2, Valvoline Daily Protection. Valvoline makes excellent full synthetic oils. Their advanced high mileage line is on the best list later in this video. Daily Protection is a different product built for a completely different engine. It's a conventional or conventional blend formulation. It breaks down faster under heat cycling, loses viscosity as miles accumulate, and the dashboard oil life monitor on your Cadillac is calibrated for Dexos Full Synthetic, not for this. The monitor thinks you have more life left in that oil than you actually do. By the time it tells you to change it, the protection is already gone. I've seen timing chain noise and lifter ticking in engines under 100,000 miles where Daily Protection was the only oil used. Not because the intervals were wrong, because the oil couldn't hold up to what a modern Cadillac engine puts it through. Brand number 3, Castrol GTX Conventional. If you're thinking Castrol is a premium brand, how bad can it be? That's exactly the trap. Castrol Edge is genuinely excellent. GTX Conventional shares the logo and almost nothing else. Conventional oil breaks down under the heat stress that AFM engines can generate. When the 6.2 V8 in your Escalade cycles between 8 and 4 cylinders dozens of times on a single commute, the oil takes repeated thermal hits a conventional formulation can't handle. The viscosity drops. The oil film protecting the cam lobes gets thinner at the exact moments the AMF system is putting the most stress on those components. The Cadillacs I see with sludge inside the valve covers almost always have a history of conventional oil. GTX Conventional comes up regularly. If the bottle says conventional, it doesn't belong in any Cadillac built in the last 15 years. That's not a gray area. Brand number 4. This is one that catches people off guard because the branding is almost identical on the shelf. Pennzoil Conventional, the yellow bottle, sitting right next to Pennzoil Platinum, which is one of the best oils you can run. Same brand, completely different product. If you're using brand number 4 right now, you need to change your oil this weekend. Not next month, this weekend. Pennzoil Conventional is not Dexos certified, and it's not built for direct injection engines. The 3.6 V6 in the ATS, CTS, XT5, XTS, and CT6 are DI engines. So is the 2.0T in the ATS and the twin-turbo 3.0 in the CT6. DI engines generate more combustion byproduct than older engines. The oil has to keep neutralizing those acids continuously. Pennzoil Conventional's ability to do that depletes too fast. Once that protection is gone, you get corrosion on metal surfaces that don't grow back. Yellow bottle, yellow label, says conventional, anywhere on it, put it back. The platinum in the silver bottle is what belongs in your engine. Brand number 5, Quaker State Conventional, the standard green bottle. Same fundamental problem, not Dexos certified. Weak detergent package for direct injection. In a DI engine, fuel never passes over the intake valves. There's no fuel spray washing those valve stems clean. Oil vapor from the PCV system bakes onto them instead, and over time the deposits build up until they start choking airflow and combustion. The oil's detergent package is what slows that process down. Quaker State Conventional isn't up to that job. I've opened 3.6 engines with 60,000 miles that looked like they had 120. Carbon caked on the intake valves. The owner thought it was a fuel system problem. Walnut blasting to clean it runs $400 to $800. Quaker State makes a full synthetic that's Dexos certified, and it's a solid oil. That's the one. The green bottle conventional isn't it. And this next one is the oil mistake I see more than any other in American garages right now. Brand number 6, Super Tech from Walmart. And I'm going to ask you to pay close attention here because there are 2 completely different versions of this oil, and most people don't know the difference. And one of them is genuinely problematic for a Cadillac. Super Tech Full Synthetic in 0W20 and 5W30 with the Dexos Gen 3 logo on the front and a license number on the back, that oil is legitimate. Made by Warren Distribution, same company that makes Kirkland Signature for Costco. Passed GM certification testing, under $20 for 5 quarts, and it works. Super Tech Conventional, any 10W30 and any bottle without that Dexos logo, completely different situation. Not certified, not appropriate for a modern Cadillac, and the supplier varies by region, which means the same label can have different chemistry depending on which Walmart you're standing in. Check the bottle every single oil change. The only rule with Super Tech is verify first, pour second. Brand number 7, and this is the one that genuinely makes people angry when they find out. The bulk oil that comes out of a drum at the dealership service bay. Most Cadillac owners assume that taking their car to the dealership means they're getting premium oil. The brand on the service reminder sticker, the price on the invoice, the Cadillac logo on the wall, all of it says premium. Here's what's actually happening. Dealerships buy oil by the drum. The purchasing decision is driven by cost per quart. Some dealers use excellent Dexos certified bulk synthetic. Others use the cheapest bulk oil that technically meets the minimum spec to avoid warranty disputes. I've pulled valve covers on Cadillacs with a perfect dealer service history. Every oil change done at the dealership, every receipt in the glove box, and found carbon buildup and sludge that had no business being on a maintained engine. The oil wasn't doing the job. The owner had no idea because the paperwork looked legit. The fix costs nothing. Next time you schedule a dealer oil change, ask them which oil they use, what the Dexos certification level is, and ask to see the bottle. A legitimate service department answers that in 30 seconds. If they get evasive, that's your answer. You have the right to specify the oil that goes into your engine. Use it. Before we get into the 3 oils that actually protect a Cadillac engine, there's one mistake I see even owners who use quality oil making after 100,000 miles. Pause this video right now and think about this. Your Cadillac's oil life monitor is calibrated for Dexos Full Synthetic. It tracks heat cycles, cold starts, load, and driving patterns to estimate when your oil needs changing. When you run proper Dexos Synthetic, that system works exactly as designed. When you run anything else, the algorithm still runs the same numbers, it just doesn't know what you poured in. It thinks you have more protection left than you actually do. I had an Escalade owner, meticulous guy, changed oil every time the monitor hit 15%, had the receipts to prove it. He was using Valvoline Daily Protection because it was on sale at his usual shop. The monitor said fine. His cam lobes said different. By the time the tick showed up on cold start, the damage was already done. He'd been following the schedule perfectly, just with the wrong oil. Change by mileage if you're not running Dexos. 5,000 miles maximum. Now let's talk about what actually belongs in your engine. Best oil number 1, Mobil 1 Full Synthetic. This is the straightforward answer. The oil I put in my own vehicles and recommend to every Cadillac owner who asks. Mobil 1 Extended Performance in 0W20 or 5W30 carries full Dexos Gen 3 certification. It holds viscosity through the heat cycles of AFM operation, protects against low-speed pre-ignition in the turbocharged applications like the CTX 3.0 and ATS 2.0T, and keeps DI intake valves cleaner over high mileage than engines running lesser oils on the same intervals. One thing to get right before you buy: check your owner's manual and match the viscosity exactly. Most 6.2 V8 applications call for 0W20. The 3.6 V6 runs 5W30. If you have an Escalade-V or CT5V Blackwing, those call for Dexos R0W40, a different spec entirely. The right oil and the wrong viscosity is still the wrong oil. The cost difference between Mobil 1 and a conventional over the life of a Cadillac engine is about $300. The cost difference between an engine that makes 200,000 miles and one that needs a lifter job at 90,000 is $5,000 minimum. Best oil number 2, Pennzoil Platinum. And this distinction matters more than most people realize, because the confusion here costs Cadillac owners real money. Pennzoil makes 2 premium synthetics side by side on the shelf, Platinum and Ultra Platinum. I had a CTS owner come in last year with a folder full of Ultra Platinum receipts. 3 years, every oil change, proud of it. Great oil, I told him, but it doesn't have Dexos certification. He was under GM powertrain warranty. If there had been an engine dispute, he would have been holding receipts for a non-certified oil in an engine that specifies certified. He had no idea. That distinction lives in fine print that nobody reads. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum is technically a very good oil. Pure plus natural gas base, excellent cleaning, strong wear numbers. Pennzoil chose not to pursue the Dexos license for it. The result is that Platinum, same base technology, fully certified, is the right choice for any Cadillac on active warranty. Silver bottle, platinum label. That's the one. Best oil number 3, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic High Mileage. Specific application: Cadillacs past 120,000 miles, especially any with cold start ticking, minor oil consumption, or seepage. The seal conditioners in this oil gradually recondition aged rubber, valve stem seals, rear main, cam cover gaskets that start to weep on high-mileage engines. They work with the rubber rather than overswelling it. The result is reduced oil consumption, quieter cold starts, and less of the minor seepage that makes high-mileage engines look like they sweat from every surface. When a customer comes in with a 2015 Escalade at 160,000 miles, ticking on cold start, oil spot in the driveway, that's not automatically a rebuild conversation. Sometimes it's just time for the right oil. Valvoline Advanced High Mileage is Dexos certified in the relevant viscosities. You get the seal conditioning benefit without stepping outside GM specification. 7 oils working against your Cadillac, 3 that protect it. The common thread in every failed engine I've worked on is that the owner was doing everything they thought was right. Right intervals, right shop, right receipts in the glove box. They just didn't know what was in the bottle or grabbed the wrong product from the same brand because the labels looked nearly identical on the shelf.